Why is your copy not getting results? Have you ever created a post, or you've written a caption, or you've designed a flyer that you were really proud of, but it barely got any response? No queries, no sales, no engagement. If that's happened to you, you are not alone in this. You see, many people think the problem is their product or service, but in many cases, the real problem is the copy itself. So in this video, I will show you the 3 common mistakes that stop copy from getting results, and more importantly, how can you fix them? So the first mistake here is talking too much about yourself instead of your customer. For example, imagine a skincare brand that says, we make high quality skincare products using premium ingredients. You see that example. The skincare brand is actually talking about their self instead of their customer. There is nothing wrong with this statement though, but it doesn't answer the question that the customer has in mind. So the question your customer has in mind is, how does this help me? Okay, what do I benefit from this? What result will I gain or will I have from this? People are more interested in solving their own problems than hearing about how great a business is. So how do we fix that example? Like I said, how do we fix that? So instead of focusing on yourself, focus more on your customer. Let's use that skincare brand as an example again. The skincare brand, let's continue from there. The first example was, we make high quality skincare products using premium ingredients. So how can we change that into a copy that you talk about your customer, a copy that talks about the customer's pain points or the customer's desire? So you could say, instead of that, you could say, enjoy clearer and healthier skin. Enjoy clearer and healthier looking skin with products. You can choose to put a particular product. Maybe you're marketing a particular skincare product. Is it vitamin C serum, and face scrub, any product of your choice. Okay, enjoy clearer and healthier looking skin with products designed for your daily outcome. Okay, now your customer can immediately see the value. Whenever you write a copy, ask yourself this question: why should my customer care? Always ask yourself that question. Whenever you're writing a copy, you might be wondering what the copy means. Caption, all those write-ups you write on your blogs, your articles, maybe if you're advertising a product, all those captions or posts on your Instagram, on your social media handles, or a sales copy, a website copy, all those copies. Before you write any copy, you should ask yourself this question: why should my customer care? If you're trying to promote a particular product, if you're trying to promote a particular product or services, ask yourself, why should my customer care? If you answer that question correctly, your copy becomes more persuasive. So the second mistake is selling features instead of benefits. Let's take another example from a fashion brand. Okay, a fashion brand that says, this jacket is made from premium cotton. That's a feature of that particular product the owner of the fashion brand is selling. Okay, a premium jacket, a premium cotton. Okay, this jacket is made from premium cotton. That's the benefit, that is the benefit of that jacket. The features of the jacket. The features tells us what the product has, or what was created what was created in the product, or what was added in the product. Okay, benefits persuade the audience to take a buying decision. Okay, it persuades the audience to take a buying decision. This jacket is made from premium cotton. Like I said, it's a feature. But most customers aren't buying the cotton. They are buying this particular jacket, for comfort, for confidence, and for style or for fashion. Okay, that's what really matters to them, to your customer. They don't need They don't want to hear, oh, this particular gown was made from silk material, or this particular gown was made from wool material. They don't want to care about that. They don't care about that. They want to all their mindset is, how will I benefit from it? I want comfort from this clothes. Okay, I want to style myself. That will be your benefits. So if you're selling a particular product to your customer without telling them the benefits of that product, you're not going to sell that particular product. So how do we fix that example? Like I said earlier, how do we fix that example? Instead of simply listing features, explain the benefits instead. For example, instead of saying made from premium cotton, you can just say stay comfortable and look stylish all day. Stay comfortable and look stylish all day. Have you noticed the difference? The feature tells what the product has, and the benefit tells the outcome of that product. Okay, the result from that product. The second version helps the customer imagine the experience they will have. That's what persuasive copy does. That is what persuasive copy does. So the third mistake is making your copy difficult to understand. Your message isn't clear. Okay? Some business try so hard to sound professional that they end up confusing their audience. Confused readers don't become customers. Confused readers don't become customers. If people have to read your message 2 or 3 times before they could understand it, you've already lost their attention. Please take note. If people have to read your message 2 or 3 times before they could understand it, you've already lost their attention. So how do we fix this mistake? Keep your writing simple. Keep your writing simple. Use words your audience can understand. Use words your audience use every day. Clear writing builds trust and gets results. Your goal is not to impress people with big grammars, complicated vocabularies. Your goal is to communicate your message clearly for your audience to understand. The easier your copy is to understand, the easier it is for people to take action. Please take note. Let me repeat it. The easier your copy, your blog post, your Instagram post, your Facebook ads, whatever writing you write up, you're writing for a particular product, or you're trying to market any particular product, the easier your copy is to understand on the write-up is to understand, the easier it is for people to take action. Let's quickly recap what we have learned. First, we said stop talking about yourself and focus more on your customers. Second, we said sell the benefit, not just the features. And the last one, keep your writing simple, concise, and clear, and easy to understand. These 3 changes alone can make a big difference in the way your copy performs. Can make a very big difference in the way your copy performs. Your Instagram post, your TikTok post, your LinkedIn, your Facebook post. Yes, it can make a very big difference. On a final thought, remember, great copywriting isn't about using fancy words or clever tricks. It's about understanding your audience and communicating value in a way that is clear and relevant. Start applying these tips today, and you will begin to see improvement in your marketing, in your online business. Okay? You will begin to see a very big improvement. If you found this video helpful, I would love to know, which of these 3 mistakes have you been making? Leave your answer in the comment section. And if you want more practical copywriting tips like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.